So that's it, guys. The 30 for 30 challenge is now almost complete. Yes, almost complete, because this is my last entry for this training. I would prefer to call it a training because there's lots of areas of me as a content creator that I have honed, that I have improved. And of course, there's a lot of aspects, a lot of things that I learned about this challenge. And I'd like to talk about first the drawbacks or the negative things about this one. There are lots of negative things, a lot of positive things related to this thing, this training or challenge, but it all boils down to learning. So let's start with the not so good ones so that we will finish off with a good vibe. So first of all, I would say family time. Family time for me is, I think, one of the most outstanding factors or aspects that has been affected by this challenge. As a father of a small family, I've got one child, doing a daily vlog or uploading video each day is something that is not very comfortable for me. Especially it happened in the very first month of life of our little one. And I know I should have given this much thought in the beginning, but there's no room for regret for that. It's just about each individual adjusting their situation, their current circumstances, adjusting their time and every other thing to make things work. So yes, family time has been affected, but there is where I appreciated more my partner, my wife, who has been very supportive to me during this challenge. I think all the credits goes to her for being a compliment. Without her support, without her, I think it won't be possible for me to do this. Another one is, of course, sleeplessness. I know I need to stay up until early in the morning, like 3 or 4 in the morning, because I have to look after my little one. That is my shift, for looking after her. But I think I can still somehow have a nap in between if I wouldn't have to worry or think about my content editing maybe, or writing a draft. But yes, but it's fine. At least now it's finished. I can sleep more. Another thing I would say as part of the drawbacks is the agony. The agony or the anxiety of you thinking, what is next? What is your next upload? What content? How are you going to organize your content each week, each day? Where are you going to film? What time of the day can you film? And because topic-wise, I have lots of topics, but I tried to hack my mind to come up with something new, different from what I have already taught before. And yes, agony, I think the good result is that you have an output, you have a product. If you're anxious about good things, but of course you need to find the balance, not to worry too much about these not so important things in life. And lastly, last drawbacks that I would like to mention is less time for promotion of my videos. Yes, I tried my best not to really compromise the quality of my contents each day, even though they are somehow rushed. I tried my best not to come up with a substandard, suboptimal level of content. Yes, it might not be the best in your eyes, but for me that's the best I can do, I'm afraid, so I'm sorry for that. But yes, I had less time for promoting my contents, my videos on other platforms, which I normally do before. That's what I was doing. But of course now, I think for August, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna really polish all the contents that I uploaded for the month of July, and I will promote them. Yes, you can still promote your previous contents to other people. And these drawbacks again will boil down to learning. So now that I have experienced them, I learn from them. It will not be left alone as drawbacks, as negative things, as a negative result or negative effect. But those negative things can be converted to learning by adjusting what you have done before and not doing them again, by learning what you did before and do them better next time. So it still boils down to learning. Now let's just quickly go to the positive side of things. First of all, I've improved my editing skills. I am now somehow faster at how I edit my videos, cut, even it's just simple cut and paste, adjust, crop and everything, color grading, which is somehow basic, but I still improve at some degree. And next to that is being mindful and conscious about your contents, not just the quality but also the topics and the organization. Consciousness, it's about thinking about it, not only like being someone who's like, should I vlog now, should I make a content now, should I have nothing to do, should I just make content? No, it's about you being consistent. You are conscious to come up with something, you are conscious to really be consistent, you are conscious to deliver something to your audience. And that's that's another positive thing that is a result of 30 for 30 challenge. Next one is organization. I became more organized when it comes to managing, first of all, my time each day, more organized in arranging my topics, scheduling them, doing the Techie Tuesday more consistently. Probably now after the 30-30 challenge, I'll be more consistent in what days of the week I'm gonna upload, what topic for that day of the week, and it's still in progress, but we are improving these aspects. Now I think another very good thing that I learned from this is I found my niche, and I would say I'm still thinking about it. I'm still trying to learn from this. I'm still trying to discover and see what I can do better, what works for me, what I'm happy about doing, what works for my audience. Of course, you will have to relate it to your statistics. Not only you enjoying, but also look at the result, what's happening with the content you are putting up on your channel. I would say I think I would regularly do covers now. That's one thing that I didn't do before, and maybe of course I'll be more consistent, not just maybe, but I'll be more consistent doing the Techie Tuesday, and my travel vlogs and raw vlogs will be combined in one day of the week. So that's the plan. It's still a plan. We are still a small channel, but we're learning from this and we're trying to improve each day, isn't it? Now I want to talk about some things that I have really learned in this challenge, which is first, prioritization. Yes, prioritization, and we all know the family is our priority, but for us to be able to put our priority as our priority, not just a word like priority. Yes, you would say family is your priority, but are you really putting them in that position that they are your priority? Or you're just saying they are your priority, but you're spending most of the time of your day making contents, spending most of the time of your day watching live streams of other people. So I learned that of course our priority should be our priority, not just to put the label as their priority, but to treat them really as our priority. And number 2 for this learning part, main learning. These are main learnings because the previous one, yes, we learned from them positive and negatives, but this one are the main learnings. I have now gauged my capacity. I know if I can do daily vlog or not, and I would say yes, I can, but there's a lot of compromises on the other side. So I would say my capacity is there, but the suitability is not. So it's not suitable for me to do the 30-30 challenge again anytime soon, unless I have an editor, or the daily vlog. I would say not just a 30-30 challenge, but I would say my ability or my capacity can do it, but it's not suitable for me being a family man. So I would say I won't be doing this daily vlog again or anytime soon, unless I'll be having my own editor for my videos. Another thing is I improve, yes, in all areas. I said editing, organization, being mindful and conscious about my contents, but I would say all in all I have improved in speaking in front of the camera without so much script or dialogues. What else? I improved in my filming ability. Many areas of me as a content creator have improved, and I would say I'm really thankful that I really took this challenge, and I'm very much thankful as well with other people who did it with me, who took the challenge with me. And now, as I mentioned earlier, I have already found which niche I'm comfortable doing and which is giving me result as well. And I would say maybe after promoting the contents that I have put up for the month of July, they can still gather more views, they can still gather more audience, they can still improve statistically. I will not finish my words here, but I would say somehow I have found what I'm comfortable with. With all those things being said, I want to of course thank all my co-challengers for taking this challenge with me. We are like more than 30 people, 34 if I'm not mistaken, and I think we're finishing off with at least 20 or a little short of 20, but still a good number, isn't it? We all tried our best. Some of us may not be in the best position to do this time. It may be suitable some other time, but yes, to those who did it, I really salute you all, guys. I mean, without you probably won't be able to get to this point as well. And for those who didn't make it, I really still appreciate that you considered it. You consider to do this challenge, not for me, not for other people, not for your teammates, but for yourself, for your channel. And a special thank you as well to my co-admins, Lina Grace of Chris Ventures channel, Pops Joven of Papa Jobs channel. Thank you so much for your effort, guys. I would say you are doing more administrative work than me, and I really appreciate your job, because without you we will be like, I don't know, content creators on the street, unorganized, non-systematic. So it is a collaborative effort, you know. And for some of you who's been asking me what's the next training or what's the next challenge, I'm thinking of like doing 3 times a week upload with premiere series on the last day of the week, which preferably is Saturday. But I'm not sure if I'll be ready to do this for the month of August, probably later, and we need more people to help us with this, because we are all now starting to get back to normal routine, normal system of life, normal way of living, and the time is really limited for everyone. So we need to talk it out, plan with you guys, but I appreciate you all, my co-challengers, for supporting me, supporting each other, and I'm really looking forward to the growth and success of your channel. I know many of us have already felt the positive result. It could be the subscribers number, the watch hours number. Watch hours number will definitely improve, okay, and other parts of your analytics or statistics, but this is actually nothing compared to other YouTubers who is really doing this thing seriously, more serious than how we do it now. So I'm really looking forward to the growth of your channels, my colleagues, my co-challengers, and again, congratulations to everyone. This will not end here. We will continue to improve every day as a content creator, and I hope even without any training or challenges like this, you will continue to really challenge your capacity, push yourself to the limit, go beyond the line, do what you can really do, and you know, maximize your ability and capacity, because sometimes we are just too lax, we are just too complacent. But again, it will all boils down to a self-realization, where you at now and where you want to be. So in between, you need to really think of things that will get you from point A to point B. If your point A is your current situation and your point B is to grow with thousands of subscribers, so think of the things that you need to do. And an example is just this training of doing like more often or more frequent upload. But it's not just about the quantity, it's about the quality as well. And maybe in the next challenge I will consider to do that as a big factor for the challenge or training to improve the quality. But maybe, lots of maybes these days, because there's a lot of uncertainties happening all over the world, and I don't want this video to be too long, so we'll end it here. Again, thank you so much to everyone, and congratulations to my co-challengers. Whether you finish it or not, you still did well, you did your best, we all did our best. So until the next video, and for now, just always remember to share a smile and spread the love, because life is delicious. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.